Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix if voicemail notification won't go away on Infinix Note 60. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button and click on this restart. After tap on this restart icon, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter your phone pin and you will check your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so go to app library. Here click on settings app, 9 setting. Scroll down and click on app management. After click on app management, click on app list. After click on app list, scroll down and search phone app from here. Click on phone app, click on storage and cache and click on clear cache. After clear cache phone app, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so click on settings app, scroll down and click on system and click on reset phone. After click on reset phone and click on reset all settings. After click on reset all settings, click on reset and enter your phone pin and click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix if voicemail notification won't go away on Infinix Note 60. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.